Did you see the email from that new supplier offering us a 50% discount on all orders?
Yeah, I saw that. It sounds too good to be true.
Exactly. I'm a bit suspicious. What do you think?
Don't fall for it. These kinds of deals often have hidden catches or are outright scams.
You think so? But the email looked pretty legitimate.
That's how they get you. They make it look professional and convincing.
Should we report it to IT?
Definitely. They can check if it's a phishing attempt or something else malicious.
Good idea. I'll forward it to the IT department right away.
And in the meantime, remind everyone in the team to be cautious about such emails.
Will do. Better safe than sorry.
Exactly. There have been too many incidents lately. We need to stay vigilant.
Agreed. I'll also put a note in the next team meeting agenda to discuss email security.
Perfect. The more aware everyone is, the better we can protect ourselves.
Hey, are you coming to the party tonight?
No, I'm not in the mood.
What's got into you? You were so excited about it just yesterday.
I don't know, I just feel really down today.
That's not like you. Did something happen?
Not really. I guess I'm just stressed out with all the work and everything else going on.
I get it. Work has been pretty overwhelming lately.
Yeah, and it feels like there's no end in sight.
Maybe that's why you need a break. The party could be a good distraction.
You might be right, but I'm just not feeling up to it.
Sometimes, getting out and socializing can actually make you feel better.
True, but I don't want to bring everyone else down with my mood.
We're your friends. We want to support you, even if you're not feeling your best.
Thanks, I appreciate that. Maybe I'll think about it.
No pressure. Just know that we'd love to have you there.
Okay, I'll see how I feel later. Thanks for understanding.
Anytime. Just take care of yourself, okay?
I've been trying to figure out this new software for hours, and I'm still confused.
What's the issue you're having?
I can't seem to get the data import function to work correctly. It keeps giving me an error message.
Let me take a look. Have you tried checking the file format? Sometimes it needs to be in a specific format to work.
I thought I did, but I'm not sure if I got it right.
Okay, let's go through it step by step. First, open your data file and make sure it's saved as a CSV.
All right, I'm opening it now. Yes, it's a CSV file.
Good. Now, when you import it, are you mapping the columns correctly to the fields in the software?
Mapping the columns. I'm not sure what you mean by that.
Here, let me show you. When you import the data, you should see an option to map the columns from your file to the fields in the software. This ensures the data goes into the right place.
Oh, I see. I didn't do that. I just clicked import right away.
That's probably why you got the error. Try mapping the columns now.
Okay, I'm doing it. I think I've got it right this time.
Great. Now, click import again.
It worked. No error message this time.
There you go. Now you understand. It's all about making sure the data is properly mapped.
Thanks so much. That makes a lot more sense now.
Anytime. Once you get the hang of it, it becomes much easier.
I just got an email saying that our main server is down.
Oh no, that's terrible. What are we going to do?
No need to panic. I've already contacted the IT team, and they're working on it.
How long do they think it will take to fix?
They estimate it should be back up in about an hour.
That's a relief. I was worried we'd be offline all day.
Yeah, it's not ideal, but it could be worse. In the meantime, we should let everyone know and ask them to save their work frequently.
Good idea. I'll send out a company-wide message.
And let's check if there are any critical tasks that need immediate attention. We can see if there's a temporary workaround.
Right. I'll go over the list of today's priorities and see if anything urgent can be handled differently.
Perfect. Once the server is back up, we can reassess and make sure everything is running smoothly.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks for staying calm about this.
No problem. We've dealt with worse before. We'll get through this too.
Hey, I have something important to tell you.
What is it? You seem serious.
I got a job offer in another city. It's a great opportunity, but it means I'll have to move away.
Wow, that's huge. How do you feel about it?
I'm excited but also really torn. I don't want to leave you behind.
I understand. This is a big decision. Have you decided what you're going to do?
I'm leaning towards accepting it, but I'm worried about us.
You know, distance is tough, but we can make it work. I believe in us.
Really? You think we can handle it?
Absolutely. No matter how long it takes, I'll wait for you. We can visit each other and stay connected.
That means so much to me. I was afraid this would end things between us.
Not at all. I'm committed to us. We'll find a way to make this work.
Thank you. Your support makes this decision a bit easier. I'll accept the job and we'll figure things out together.
I'm proud of you. This is a great opportunity, and we'll get through it. Our relationship is strong enough to handle this.
I'm glad we're on the same page. We'll make a plan and take it one step at a time.
Yes, and remember, no matter how long it takes, I'll always be here waiting for you. We'll get through this together.
Did you see Mark's prank earlier today?
Yeah, he put a fake spider on Sarah's desk. She was so scared.
I know, it was hilarious, but Sarah didn't seem to think so.
Yeah, she was really upset. I think Mark went a bit too far this time.
Definitely, someone needs to tell him to cut it out with the pranks.
Agreed. It's fun once in a while, but he's been doing it every day.
Maybe I'll talk to him. He might not realize how it's affecting everyone.
Good idea. Just let him know we're all for fun, but there's a limit.
Exactly, I'll try to talk to him after lunch. Hey Mark, can we talk for a minute?
Sure, what's up?
It's about the pranks you've been pulling lately. They're funny, but they're starting to bother some people.
Really? I thought everyone was enjoying them?
Some people are, but others are getting stressed out. Like today with Sarah and the spider, she was really scared.
Oh, I didn't realize it upset her that much.
Yeah, so maybe you could cut it out with the daily pranks? Just tone it down a bit.
Okay, I get it. I'll stop with the pranks for a while. Thanks for letting me know.
Thanks Mark. I'm sure everyone will appreciate it.
Did you hear I got promoted to senior manager?
Oh, that's great. Congrats.
Yeah, I guess all those late nights and hard work paid off. It's not easy balancing a social life with all these responsibilities, but somehow I manage.
Well, some of us don't really have the luxury of a social life when we're pulling double shifts.
Hey, I'm just saying it takes a lot to juggle everything. Not everyone can do it.
Right, because you're the only one working hard around here. We're all just sitting around, doing nothing.
That's not what I meant. I'm just pointing out that it takes a certain level of dedication and skill to get to where I am.
And it has nothing to do with you getting all the high-profile projects and support from the higher-ups, right?
Well, maybe they saw potential in me. You can't deny that I've delivered results.
Sure, but don't act like it's all been just you. Some of us have been working just as hard, if not harder, without the same recognition.
Look, I'm not trying to belittle anyone's efforts. I just wanted to share my good news.
Fine, congratulations. Just remember, success is often a team effort, not just individual brilliance.
Fair enough. I'll try to keep that in mind.
Please subscribe and see you soon.